And we are back outside. Oh, fresh oxygen. And I am back with the Queen of Safety, Sarah Hyatt. I feel like we should maybe discuss the beast that is Charles Cross. There's lots of different ways to kind of get in. So if I may, this door, what's it for? Who uses it?
Right, okay, this is the entrance door for the Fab Lab, the metals area.
Sure.
And the textiles area in the Charles Cross building. So basically you think of this one as your inward journey only. You won't be able to come out of this building from this door.
Okay, cool. And this one, what's this one?
This one is for disabled access. This is also for our interiors students and staff. So they can follow the one-way system. Disabled students are able to then, if they need to use the lift, can use the lift. They can turn left. And our interior students will walk around in their circle like we've done everywhere else today into their space.
Wonderful. Am I right in thinking that there's kind of 3 staircases here? There's this one, there's a centre one, and there's one just over there. The 2 outside ones are up and the middle one is down.
That's right, yeah. So the 2 end staircases are your inward journey and the middle staircase is your outward journey.
It's like being on a plane. So say if I'm just a student walking around like I do, if I'm in here and I want to kind of walk through the college, what's the safest way to do that?
So what you'll notice is in the workshops and any teaching spaces, corridors, there are one-way systems in place. You'll notice they're all very, very clearly marked and that will identify where you can go and which way you can go. So it should be, after the first initial getting used to it, should be very simple to follow.